Hello there. Everything's happening so quick. And yeah, I started late for a reason today. No, I haven't been rating submissions unfortunately yet. Well, I have started. I have started and I realized that now I need to rate OCaml and Ruby, which I have never used in my life. Let me just reset camera. Not only that, I mean, well, yeah, for TypeScript and Bash, I have used them more than C, so I guess it would be easier. Oh, ads are in progress. I guess it's fine. Nigel claimed first, yay. So yeah. Wait, you were not supposed to see this, but it's fine. Well, did you read the rules? Or like the big blob of text at the top of the channel? Because that's the point. The whole point. I was writing it for some reason. I would be rating your oh my god, your submissions to challenges, and that's probably where most of it is gonna come from. Most of the score. I'm not yet sure though, because I might just take like, okay, imagine this challenge is gonna be like you have 3 components, they combine in this formula, and I will experiment with formulas and see how to make it balanced. Yeah, and also I thought I would give you voting on language submissions, but then I looked at them and there isn't really much you can vote on. Like, development time is something that the person who submits the language should probably tell. What else? Portability? Oh yeah, actually good point. Um, no, we'll need to hope that Davnini won't come to the stream and just see this message. So yeah. For portability, I can probably look up tools and how source code looks, because I'm pretty sure OCaml is fairly portable, except for the fact that including it in stuff is difficult. Oh, and also, I will have to run all those languages a few times at least, so I guess I'm making a huge flake shell, whatever. Well, yeah, I guess, except for OCaml. Okay, I mean, I don't know functional languages, and OCaml is like a different class of functional languages, I guess. I'm not even sure if it's really functional. Also, what's wrong with my... Wait, what is... Oh, what was that? Anyway, so yeah. Portability is relatively easy to rate. And what was another criterion? I don't actually remember. Need to look it up. Writing compilers is on another level. WSpy high on the YouTube site. Thanks God I didn't miss your message. Ecosystem. Well, ecosystem, I mean, to be fair, rating ecosystem will also be pretty difficult. But I guess I can do this. I hope I can do this. I only need to understand OCaml and Ruby. Other languages I know. And to be fair, people can still submit more. I don't know. I kinda hope this doesn't happen. Also, I have a really good idea for the first challenge. Well, I don't know how good it is. It's gonna be pretty, like, regular, unlike others. Anyway. Helix. Let's see. So yesterday, if I remember correctly, after the stream, Camel is super simple. Well, I mean, I guess it is. Judging by the fact that I can look at a functional language and understand what the code means, it is probably pretty simple. Because that's rare. But still, I have never used it. Like, most OCaml I have saw was Cubeman writing cast, I guess. 99%. Well, not only I need to understand what's going on, I need to basically interpret how you're gonna be writing it. I know Ruby... Well, I have Ren. Hi, Davninia. Oh no, Davninia's here. So yeah, for Ruby, I have used JQ, which I think is written in Ruby, and I guess Ruby has Gem Package Manager. That's all I inferred from that. And yeah. So I don't think Ruby is gonna be hard, because I think it's pretty it's like a traditional language. For some reason, I associate Ruby with Lua so much. I feel like they're very similar. Anyway, so after the stream, I actually did something. I don't remember what I did, but like the last time, I also changed something in Orco, and I think it compiles right now. Yeah, oh, and value numbering. Now the C code generated is gonna look something like that. And I think that's a good thing. Also, I haven't even tested arguments. They should work, I think. They do work. And they work perfectly. Because yeah, I thought about it for a while. But yeah, I need to think about more things. Nigel, maybe you have another challenge for me. This time in C++. And also, what should we do next? I guess variable deco. That kind of challenge. I mean, I guess I could at some point. Not today, probably. Also, I have no idea what's gonna happen tomorrow. I might just end up in another city. Point of... Okay, I'm gonna do it in C++. I'm gonna do it in C++, but I'm not gonna use any C++ features except for two, namespaces and generics. Right? And also I'm not gonna do type def structs, but instead just structs, because, I mean... it doesn't really make a difference. Actually, no, I am gonna do type def structs. But you can make it not as simple. Hopefully it is still gonna be relatively simple. Although it would be interesting if I try to rewrite traits by using C++ inheritance. Because I could totally do that, I guess. But then if I use C++ inheritance, I can't really... static traits, I can't really do that. I mean, I guess I can. I'm probably not gonna use it, because it's gonna mess with stuff. Anyway. So that's pretty simple. Should we do variables or whole new level functions? So should we do variables or functions? Maybe functions, maybe variables, I don't know. Yeah. Or maybe like conditional straight up. So let's see where the to-do lands. No such variable in the scope. Wait, what? Oh, yeah. I guess I can do this. I guess that's cheating, but still. Array code gen. Line 157. A call. What does the call have for me? Callie and args. I mean, that's pretty simple, right? Args. Also, I guess this is gonna be this one huge function that contains everything and everything and anything and everything. Anyway, well, actually, I guess I should. I guess I should change it up a little bit. I guess I should implement some sort of conditionals because we'll need blocks. That's a good point, except that I don't think I have STD yet, which is another major thing. So I was saying functions because, well, then I will be able to write STD. And yeah, I am gonna try to transpile the transpiler itself at some point soon. Hopefully soon. So what do we need for that? We only need for that function calls. I mean, that's probably about it. Like, I don't think I'm using async. I mean, we'll need std definitely. We'll need const. Actually, we'll need all of those things because libraries use them. Boxes, refs, a lot of things. Expression underscore. That's fun. Well, yeah, all dependency crates are gonna use this. But, I mean, to be fair, I feel like no crates, including dependencies, use async. I'm not sure. Rust Analyzer can very well use async, but I feel like it doesn't. I'm not sure, but I feel like it doesn't. STD is much more complicated than like anything else. Actually, I should probably check. No async. I don't think it does. Only no STD. Also, I think no STD does still have async. So I should actually look up. Let me do this again. Rust std GitHub. Rust standard library should probably be on GitHub, right? Somewhere. I mean, there is source code for it. It exists. And I think it's this core std and stuff. Core, what does core have? Core array, no. What does core have? Oh my god, why is this taking so much time to load? Network seems fine. Eh? Yeah, actually. Wait, what? Stream didn't drop, right? So it's not my internet problem, right? Net. Wait, what's net? Core.net. IP address is included in core. Stream is quite smooth. Nice to hear that. I'm glad to hear that. Pointer. Okay, I wanna see box. But I don't think there is box. Wait, where's 40 second latency? Maybe refresh the page. Core box. Wait, core box Rust. You can like. You may be able to reduce latency drastically if you find a way to refresh the player without refreshing the page.
Can you read chat, please?
I see 5 seconds. I see 5 seconds. And I've checked pinned messages don't exist. I've checked YouTube chat, nothing else. Okay, so let's see. I want to see box here. Because I know somewhere... Oh, it's a lock. It's inside of a lock. Oh. What? It's not apparently. What? Oh wait, it's not inside of core. It's inside of a lock. That makes sense. Oh. Books. I need to look for books.rs because Rust itself uses this way of declaring stuff for some reason. I prefer mods because they are in directories. So mod.rs is in the same directory as everything else. But I very well see the reason to use box.rs here, for example, like this, and then have a separate directory. Because when you open a file and only the file name displays, you can't tell which mod this is. VS Code has actually a great thing to catch this. Okay, let's see box implementation. New box new. Oh, and we have Rusty intrinsic. Yeah. I wonder what happens if I actually like take this, and what is it gonna yield me? So if I put this like on top, what is Rust Analyzer gonna output? I'm gonna say, oh, I don't know what this attribute is, or like define this, please. Oh wait, I call to do. Or core racer C types mod rs. Oh, yeah, this. Oh, that's generics as well. I don't know if it's gonna handle generics even. No, it's not gonna handle generics. 53. I wonder what it's angry about. I mean, I know generics are not gonna work. Oh, bound var, that's what it's called. I mean, it makes sense. Let's get rid of T and put I32 here. Because I want to know what compiler intrinsics will do. Missing expression. Mod line 100. Wait, that's a panic. Wait, what? Oh, so it interprets this function as missing expression. Because it's intrinsic without... because there's no expression in the body. I'm gonna be using C with templates. They're called templates, I guess. Because they are not generics in reality. So... call bound var... Well, actually, I should probably implement variables first. Because I have started working on it already. And then conditionals. I guess let's do it. So variables shouldn't be that hard. Actually, you know what? Yeah, let's do conditionals first because they are more important. They dictate if I'm gonna scrap everything. Orco libres. Oh, wait. See, Orco code gen. This. Wait, no. Orco code gen mod rs. Wait, codegen.rs. Wait, no, what? Oh, back. I forgot how I structured my code. You're not speaking with Elixir handlers? Oh, handlers. Haters. Wouldn't mind if you just did the same Rust code. Oh, I guess I could. I don't know though. Because I have ported it already, I kind of want something new. Davini, are you considering me an Elixir hater? Wait, what? Nigel? What? What am I hearing? I feel like you didn't do many 8K challenges that only last one stream. Anyway, so we're in here, where the interface is declared. Or I guess described. So how do I structure this? Maybe. Oh, actually, I also was thinking, what if I actually give it the C code straight up? Actually, I mean, there are problems with this, to be fair. Because for CodeGen specifically, maybe it would be nice to rewrite it completely. Because right now those traits are object safe if I remove CodeGen. How easy would it be? Easy or hard? I mean, breaking from multiple loops is already pretty hard. Actually, let's look at what Rust Analyzer does for... Wait. What Rust itself does for this. Because it would also be nice if I could use a MIR. Also, maybe I can use a MIR. Because I definitely would. Because there is MIR literally here. And I would love to. So if I do... What was I going to do? Oh, I was going to break from a nested loop. Oh my god. Wait, how do you actually... I think it was meant to be in front. Let's see. I'll just rename it to L. No, so I'm gonna remove all the variables here. Show MIR. Oh, it's optimized everything away. Rust nested loop example. Actually, that's exactly what AI would be useful for. But I'm too lazy to go. I can just copy this. I can literally just copy this, actually. Although it would expand macros. Ooh. Rust Playground theme. Wait, what? Oh, editor Ace. Wait, actually, hold on. Those are different. I remember this. Okay, theme. Wait, theme. Where is it? See Gravbox. Here. Oh wow. Alright, can I change the theme of the whole thing? UI theme. I mean, I guess I can change it to dark. The vanilla would be. They have beam key bindings. Well, I mean, I don't know. Actually, I used Ace Editor myself. I want to know what simple looks like. Oh, that's simple. So I used Ace Editor to make the event I ran for New Year 2024, I'm pretty sure. Also, I need to check YouTube. Nigel, you remember that you're also a YouTube moderator now? Assembly flavor, symbol demangling, name filtering. What's name filtering? Pair characters. Wait, what is pair characters? Is this ligatures? You're very... What is this word? Yeah, sure. I mean, nothing is happening in the YouTube chat, so it's fine. Okay, I'm like for last few, I guess, months, any definition I look up on of an English adjective in English, I just can't understand. Anyway, it's fine. Neglect. Okay. Or you mean Google? I can Google it. Failure to provide the necessary care. Oh. Yeah, makes sense. That's what I expected it to mean. Or I guess I assumed. Okay, so oh my god, basic blocks. How am I gonna read this? Const main promoted. What is this? Wait, what? I guess I can just put F calls here. F1, F2, F3. Extern C, Fn, F1, F2, F3. Refunction without body. Well, those don't really matter. That's what I'm trying to say. I guess I can do this. F1 and then return to basic block 1. Unwind continue. F2 returns to basic block 2. Basic block 2. What if I do this from my Oh, yeah, that's Rust, of course. I need to wrap it in things. Oh, it starts soon. Let's see what it outputs. What even is this? Main promoted. Okay, so F2 goes to basic block 2. Basic block 2 takes promoted. There's new const. I wish I could get THAR, to be honest. Cause like I don't like basic blocks for control flow. Copy underscore 5. Whatever this is. And it returns to basic block 3. Which prints something. What? Returns to basic block 4, which returns. Oh wait, this prints. Yeah, that's fine. F3, I guess I can put one here and get rid of it here. I still don't really understand it. I feel like it's so. Yeah, I feel like it just optimized everything away. Generate a MIR. Hey. Dude. Wait, did it already? Oh wait, it was in progress, right? So now, after calling F, we go to basic block 3, which we check. Oh well, it just literally branches either here or outside. Which, I mean, simple enough, I guess. Oh, we might have to write some tests, by the way. Anyway, so how can I... How can I... do what? Get MIR. Because I wanna try this again, because MIR solves so many problems. It's like I'm taking I'm taking Rust compiler and asking it to finish the job for me. Cause like that's basically what I should have been doing from the start. But instead of like using Rust compiler, I'm using Rust analyzer for some reason. And I guess there is a good reason, good-ish. So yeah, let mir with db. I should actually cargo doc open. Maybe you'll find something there. Because I guess I need some sort of context. Oh my god, why did this turn black as well? Oh, that's AUC. Oh, let me switch to Dark Sunny. This matches Groovebox actually better. Oh, and this is still white. Sure. Okay, so MIR. I think that's about it. I think that's basically it. And now it's white again. I don't get it. Basic block borrow check result evaluator with table map. I mean, I guess MIR also transpose traits for me. 3 ads. Oh no, that's so bad. I'm sorry for your ads. Borrow check query interpret lower to MIR. MIR body query. So MIR body query is what gets called, and I assume, yeah, it calls slower to MIR, which takes like a lot of things. But to be fair, it's pretty empty. Wait, what does this function even do? It takes detail. It starts tracing. Oh, and it gathers like inference and stuff. Finally, add this over. Okay, I guess MIR body query. So lower to MIR as a function. How do I prevent it from layout? What is a layout error? Rust layout error. Is this the same layout error? It's probably not the same layout error. I guess I could try searching for it. Oh, layout error. Over to MIR. Okay, so it takes it from lower. Okay, so from layout error. MIR. Okay, like, I guess let's look at lower to MIR. Let's look at the source code for Rust compiler and try to find something there. Also, please remind me if I will ever do a challenge that I might clip into YouTube video to disable music in the background, because that's so annoying. I mean, it's not very annoying, and I didn't even edit it out, but it doesn't really fit. Well, actually, you can't really know what I'm gonna clip into a video. I feel like you said that and music just stopped. But no. Set terminator. Oh yeah, lower expression, right. With adjust, I don't care about adjustment. Errors. I care about errors. Actually, I should have checked without adjust. Without adjust. Oops. Hey, you're gonna take me there. Result of an option of basic blocks. Basic block, and this result is MIR. Yeah. Not supported. Not supported. Wait, what? Oh, that's sad. So if I actually try to lower assembly, wait, where is it? Core Arch ASM. I don't know. This is gonna work. Wait, Ergo run. I wonder what's gonna happen. And there's those macro. Oh yes. It's not quite gonna work though. I mean, I can still get around it. Just supplying something different than core assembly. But yeah, MIR is pretty annoying to deal with. It's gonna be pretty annoying to deal with. For those reasons. Rustalizer doesn't have a great support for it, unfortunately. So I'll have to figure stuff out myself, which is pretty annoying as well. So can I make labels and loops? Maybe I can. Anyway, so are we doing control flow? I guess simple. How can I actually do control flow? C condition boolean x is I32 if c 0 else x. So this is control flow. Yeah, pretty challenging. Array code gen. Modernist line 129. If. What does if have to offer? Condition then else. I Sagar, or however you should pronounce your name. Else branch. Also, it's funny how I don't have a bar here because my streaming script disables it, but I do have a bar on my second monitor because for some reason last time I used my streaming script, it disabled it, but it didn't re-enable it, and that's actually very useful. Like I have no idea how. So like I had been sitting in non-streamer mode with bar on this monitor, but without bar on the other one, and that's pretty funny. Okay, so this is also an expression. Yeah, that's fun, isn't it? I actually don't know. I actually don't know how I'm gonna do this. So condition. So I guess I need to evaluate condition, right? So okay, we do condition. We take condition. Server's bugging me. The condition and then what? Also, how is I actually should have checked how accurate Rust analyzer is. There. It's not care about slowness really. I mean, I guess I do. Rust Analyzer is an open source project. Wait, what? There's no challenge. Well, what do you mean? I need to rewrite traits and stuff again. And this time maybe with tables. And I'm only using templates and maybe namespaces from C++. I don't even think that I'm gonna be using namespaces. But I might. I'll probably use the macros rather than that. Because of how complicated generics might be. Oh, that's pretty cool. A little bit first systems with support. Huh? Who are you? Who are you? Apparently that's the creator of Rust Analyzer. Rust Analyzer. It is under Rust language organization. Just can't talk. I kinda wanna test Rust Analyzer on like a huge code base or something. Because it might not work. I mean, if I'm gonna go far with Rust Analyzer and it won't work, I might as well just fork it and fix it and contribute to it. On the other hand, then why wouldn't I use MIR? So we're back to trying MIR out. Of course we're. Okay, what did I need to pretty printed crate, right? Well, yeah, I kinda need crate for that. Wait, simple. Wait, main. Wait, no, libres. Different libres here. Wait, no, it wasn't the main. Here. MIR display. Or actually pretty. Wait. What's MIR? MIR is an error. Oh, in a result. Unwrap. So how do we? Because MIR is gonna get us far. Very far. As far as like resolving operator overloadings and stuff. Which I wish I could do without MIR, to be honest. So how do we do this? Start local owner, binding locals, param locals, closures. Oh my god. Why is there no pretty print? Oh, there is pretty print. It's just dumb. No. Create display to display target DB. Okay. Hi, Nico Bellic. Yeah. What's up? Here's a piece of Rust code. We want to convert it to C. And right now I'm just hacking with Rust Analyzer, which is basically Rust compiler but a little bit different. Debug value, or actually, wait, that's wrong. Pretty print. Returns string. Okay, so it's gonna give me target layout not available, exactly. Now I'd like to backtrace it. And by backtrace I mean just trace it. By going into like MIR internals. Lower to MIR. Here. So it's lower expression to place. Lower to place without adjust. Okay, so what do we have here? Actually, I think it's just if I do this. Yeah, let's look at literals. Wait, what? Oh, I saw a cursor on my second monitor just running across the screen. It was the audio player. That's pretty fine. Expression path. Oh, here it is. I think. So first of all, PR. What is PR? Associated resolutions for expression. Wait, what? Have I not tried this function before? I feel like it didn't exist. Well, I probably tried it and probably didn't give anything. Which means variant resolution. Oh yeah, ASOC resolution variant is different. Hi Prince Kumar on the YouTube site. I don't get people just coming, saying hi and disappearing. I mean, I guess fair enough I do this as well. Especially on the YouTube side. Right now it's a transpiler from Rust to C. In future it's gonna be a compiler for Rust and maybe more. I'm saying maybe. I was like intending for it to be more. I just started with Rust because yeah, I do this in Rust. Unresolved path. Oh, here. Resolver. Oh, that's literally what I did. Expression path hygiene. Except that I use expression path hygiene. Resolve value on this fully. Reset to guard. Result. Wait, what? Oh, and then match PR. So it is what is it? Rust has not one compiler, but I'm making another. And not only I'm making another one, I am reusing one of existing ones, but extending it. Also, if I make it to work with MIR, can I easily rewrite it to work with Rust C itself? I wonder. Rust is a big multi-layer compiler. Transpilation to C. I guess this is like the main point. Like, okay, so I have a list of goals actually. I should probably show it more. Not that it's Rust C. Well, it is. I only need a MIR output from it. I guess Rust Analyzer is nicer. And I guess I should contribute to Rust Analyzer. Just like for completeness sake. Because I will probably want. Okay, this is the roadmap is out of date. So there are goals. I'm not sure how up to date they are. What is inline docs? Wait, what is this? Oh, that's LSP feature. Yeah, right. Yes, that's definitely not a full list. I mean, I guess it is kind of close. Especially the top part. So you can look at the repository. README hasn't been updated much, as you can see. It's like a year of outdated. So yes, this. I guess I should have deleted the roadmap. roadmap. Because it's been outdated for more than a year. Didn't I just send the GitHub link to YouTube? Isn't that what I just literally did? Quite literally. So here. Didn't it work? I'm afraid to click on the window because I accidentally ban people this way. I guess I can also open chats here. Yeah, received. Well, I hope so. I hope so. Because how it went last time. Okay, I'm gonna do it on myself, I guess. So if I click on the message. Well, if I click on the message. Okay, I'm gonna do carefully. Okay, if I click on the message, here's what you see. Here's what I see. Among all of those things, there is block user, which I oftentimes accidentally click. And that's a left click. Like, how stupid YouTube is to just make default actions that shows up on left click be timing it out or whatever, blocking user. This is UT menu. This is UT menu, which is stupid. Like, I left click on the message. Maybe I want to select something. Maybe I want to double click to select a word. Instead, it shows me this menu where the first option under my cursor, it is Rust. Yeah, I'm gonna try to not. So yeah, I double click to select a word. Instead, YouTube shows me menu, and the first option under my cursor is to block the user, and I accidentally block them. And then all their messages disappear in chat. And I have no idea what I have done. Because I didn't even see the thing pop up, because, yeah, I clicked too quick. And after that, I enable, what is it called? Well, I also opened some random menu, you know. So I enable mod actions, so I can see mod actions in YouTube chat. And it says, blocked, unblocked. I have no idea why it unblocked the user. Well, obviously I'm not against it. Twitch is better in every single regard. Except for videos. I mean, obviously you won't upload videos to YouTube. You have a question, sure. But like YouTube, okay, YouTube is not bad, but YouTube chat, YouTube live chat is awful. It's like the worst. You can't have an API if you want to. I don't know how slow Twitch is. I mean, Twitch is nice. What do you mean by slow? So like, yeah, if you want to receive messages from YouTube with API, you need to. Yeah, no chat is bad. You need to pull all messages every like half a second, which drains your API key so quickly that it's not even enough for an hour. I mean, Christoph have it. No, I don't have a LinkedIn. Why are you the second person asking me about this? I have a website. So I guess I should, even if somebody asks me anything about my links, I guess I should just redirect them there. Or straight into contacts page, I don't know. I'm gonna try to keep contacts page always here. Yay, favicons. I love them. I think those favicons actually load up dynamically. Well, no, actually no, statically. Share portfolio. Well, problem is I don't have a portfolio. Like, my portfolio is my GitHub and my itch.io. So if you want to see me as a game dev, here is my itch.io page, and if you want me to see me as anything else, literally, you just go to GitHub and look at repositories. Repositories. Wait, that's not how it works. Which I have many. 71. Ooh, we're gonna come to 128 soon at some point. So you can see my repos, which are like random things. I don't have me. Anyway, fun fact. One of the repositories I just noticed is Reject Snake, which, yeah, I love to waste my time on things, and this is one of them. Snake game running entirely in regular expressions. Anyway, why did I even bother sharing this? What is this? It's create Orcom. Yeah, I guess I can close most of it. Although I would like to open docs. And what is this? Oh, that's Rust library. Just curious. Anyway. Where did you find that? I mean, I do have a 3D printer. I don't think I have any, like... I mean, I guess I cloned a Ford Clipper. Which... Oh, they still didn't respond to my pull request, which is offensive. Which is like, simplest pull request. Which brings some old feature back, which is useful for me. But I guess that doesn't matter. So yes, that's Clipper. Contributive fork. I made a pull request, they didn't care. Wait, oh, they closed my pull request probably because time ran out. That's how it works. Because I was doing RATOS, yeah, I was doing RATOS, it's like RATRIG. For RATRIG printers mainly, but it's just a Clipper-based operating system, and I was making a custom config for it. I don't mind any questions. I am streaming, I am free to answer questions when I'm streaming. I still do need to figure out generating param function destructed is impulse self what. See, local binding. Well, not really. Else it actually does feel like you wanna hire me, which I don't think is the case. Also, how did I just do this? Whatever. I don't really work anywhere. Well, I guess I am an employee at Texelware.com. Oh wait, Texelware.online. And I kind of wish I contributed to the kernel more, but I just can't because assembly doesn't work. I knew when I went into assembly that I will mess it up and I will break it and I will not be able to fix it in one stream and yeah, that's what happened. So yeah, technically I'm a school student, so I don't really work anywhere. But on the other hand, I am a Twitch affiliate, so I guess I am receiving revenue from there. Well, or was supposed to, I don't know. I still don't know if payouts work, which maybe they do, maybe they don't. Because like, I googled it a lot. You won't be telling anyone if they so if payouts work in your country. Would you tell anyone about that? You probably wouldn't because well, it works as it's supposed to work. Why would you bother? And if they don't work, I mean, I also didn't find any results on that. But yeah, I will have to wait for $100 to figure out. I'll probably be able to monetize on YouTube first. Which, in case of YouTube, I can probably get it out. Because YouTube is not that... Well, YouTube's payout system is bigger. Anyway. Okay, Sam, where's the question marks? Some temp current. Place without adjust. Maybe I should open debugger. What one is this? Okay, local binding. Binding local. Okay, let's sure. Ha. That is interesting. Oops. I closed everything. This takes me straight to lower, and now if I look up lower expressions, Let's start. Ooh. Wait, I was looking at path. I'm so dumb. I shouldn't have been looking at path. I should have been looking at so first of all, I want to see block here. It's probably lower loop, lower block to place. There's no label. So lower block to place. And I assume that that would just lower all the expressions. Or at least lower the tail. So I need to look at for a constant, a literal. Not supported, await yet yeet async block. Oh, that doesn't make me confident. Const block, cast, ref, field, unary operator, binary operator, range. Wait, I probably missed some. Wait, it's binary operators. All of those are binary operators. Wait, right. Oh, here's the literal, right. Lower literal to operand. I assume that's where the error is happening. Oops. Lower literal to operand here. Let's see. Lit string, C string, byte string, charbool int. Let's say just int, I guess. Hold on, layout of type, so size. I need to look for question marks. Not bytes equals much. Okay, yeah, and we go to int, which I know it is int. 2LE bytes. Size. Oh, so size is a function. That's probably where layout comes from. Layout of type. Oh, that's why. Yeah, I might not. It's happening, right? Here. Wait, no, ads are done. Ads are done and forever. Anyway, so this is probably why. Add over. Wait, what? Why were you on an ad? Ads were not supposed to happen. Or did you just say it late? You're a JavaScript developer. What do I think about it? I mean, what should I think about a JavaScript developer? Or of the fact that you're a JavaScript developer? Okay, that explains everything. I mean, what do we think about a JavaScript developer? I don't know. It's not a question I get asked often. Layout of, oh my god, this is another cycle. Oh, and here it is. Target data layout create. Parcel VM data. Oh. So this is this is an error. Oh, that's because I didn't provide the data layout, right? Well, yeah, I do. And to be fair, I wrote a lot of JavaScript myself for various web things. Not really a fan of it because, well, I do low-level stuff. I'm not doing websites often. And to be fair, I also prefer TypeScript, sort of. Because TypeScript doesn't have a native support Yeah, that pushes me off a little. So if you're a JavaScript developer, I mean, sure. That's your job. I'm. Okay, so where is here? Here it is, the little error. Okay, let's turn it into okay. Oh, I need to provide an arc of string. LVM layout string. You use TypeScript, okay. Oh, I remember this. I guess I can copy it. Not a huge fan. I know why they are doing this. Because I mean, I really need something in between MIR and HIR. So if I just paste this random layout string I found on the internet, it might work. Because well, it might generate bytes though. Yeah, it does work. Terminator, kind return, storage dead, colon 0. Well, why do you generate bytes though? And still not even use them? Huh. Interesting. Okay, so I guess we will have to re-implement it. I'm so like not sure. Because ideally I will want THAR, but I don't have access to this because, well, Rust Analyzer doesn't even have that. Rust Analyzer literally got rid of a layer in the Rust toolchain. Rating MIR with Miri. What is Miri? Miri catches back, huh? Looks whatever. Mid-level IR, sure. How do I get it out? I mean, I guess I don't really. How does it do borrow checking? I wonder now. Cause like, thing is, MIR, it's nice because it does. It's nice because it does stuff. Oh wow, what a sentence. MIR is nice because well yeah, it's all the constructs are like uncovered already. Row check query. All MIR. Oh, oh wow, you're doing borrow checking on MIR. Ow, 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 ow. All MIR bodies. I wonder what that is. Oh, and it goes through all MIR bodies and also goes through all MIR bodies for closures. That is definitely interesting. I do still wonder why I need data layout here, because layout of type query. What does it even return? A layout. A layout is a layout data. What is it? Says where the fields are located within the layout. Why do you need the layout? Well, I mean, okay, so right now I'm a little bit deep in it. I don't partially understand this myself, but I'm pretty sure. I mean, I guess I do understand this. So layout is you have structs, or well, in TypeScript you have objects, but like here it's a little bit more simple. You have structs. I don't even have an example of struct. And you have fields in them. So each field has a name. Well, you need to place it in memory somehow. And a data layout dictates how, in what order you're gonna place them in memory. And so this dictates things like, is the field that's first in the struct, like you have struct with field A, field B, field C, is A gonna be first? Or is A gonna be last because for some reason you decided to put it in reverse order? And also, there's this thing called alignment. So, if I simplify it greatly, will we put some extra space for no reason in between A and B? Or will we not do that and just pack them as close together as possible? I mean, to be fair, in reality, there is a reason to put extra space between struct fields. Especially when they are different types and different sizes. So that's basically what layout is. Now, I'm working with MIR, which... Okay, sure. Now I need to get rid of this somewhere. So I'm working with MIR, which should not worry about layouts. Because, I mean, it literally, it's instead of writing data as raw binary, it writes data as like code. But it still for some reason cares. Anyway, now I'll start the timer. I have no idea what to do with this. I've been on this for long. Do have this apparently messy syntax. What? Hike it a little. Brain.txt crashed. Lurk, oh my god, what's happening? Also, change the category. Oh, you did? Oh, wow. Nigel, you're quick. Okay, so let me think. Oh wait, I'm trying to right click again. Played too much Minecraft. So how am I gonna do this? So the tree is gonna grow too tall in the next... Oh wait, it fell. Or did it? What happened? Wait, what? What language? Programming language, Rust. But right now I'm playing a game, so I guess it doesn't really matter. Because the redeem's on Twitch. Yeah, you want, you know, if you want to make me play a game, you can always swap over to Twitch. Okay, I don't think this is gonna fall. 4-block jump, let's go. Okay, too late. See, that does not. So I'm on 2 blocks. Yeah, but I can't go up. No. So yeah, I can probably cheese my way a little higher. Like that. Did it work? No, it didn't. You know, you mainly do C# right now. Okay. Wait, what am I doing? Here. Ah. Why can't I cheese it lately? I remember it was possible. I need to like push it though. So I definitely need to plan this like later. Nigel, how much time did it take you to figure out one solution? Oh, I cheesed it, let's go. Okay, I think I'm very high. Higher than I normally am. Not that much. Encouraging. But I feel like I was climbing the wrong side, because there isn't... I mean, actually... Yeah, this is the same height, so I guess... I mean, I guess I could have climbed that side and I got one more block. Oops. Hopefully I can cheese it. No, I couldn't. I mean, I can, I guess. If I do it carefully. Okay, I'm inside of it. Wait! I got higher, didn't I? Let's go. Ooh. I'm so afraid to... You've used both trees, right? I'm not behind, right? Some cool projects to build your board. Ooh. I don't know. I have used JSTS. I made this 3D game with 3JS, but yeah, it didn't go far. It was meant to be like New Year 2025 event. You only used it. How? Oh, that's called the stem. Oh no, it fell. Oh no. No way you just used the tree. Oh my god, where am I? So yeah, I've made a 3D game before. With 3JS, it was pretty fun, I guess. And Rapier for collisions, which is Rust library in Wasm, right? And I also made basically like a thing where you... Well, it was live streaming to YouTube 24/7, and you could join a website and play games, basically, or write a program that will play games for you. I also like had this ability. Okay, so you can go. How high can you go? So I need to reach this block, which means I can jump from this height, which means I need to get pretty high up. Like, no way, Nigel, you did this with just 3. I mean, I guess there is a way. I mean, I guess I could go center again. But what can I do in the center? It's just case after one more tick. After one more year. AI taking over the world of programming as we know it. Well, thing is, I don't think about that sort of stuff. I have enough mental problems other than that. But I mean, I guess it would be a good idea to think back to, like, what other attempts at machines replacing us were there, and how they succeeded, because they did. Vibe coding, which is, I'm pretty sure is what it's called, I mean, exists, I guess. It wouldn't yield many great things. Like, okay, to be clear, I'm not talking about AI that's like a copilot that would be like useful when you write code. So, I mean, you said I should do it myself, although this is taking way too long. So yeah, but I don't have very high hopes in it. Well, not hopes, I guess. I don't have very high faith in AI. It can definitely like make bad products. You're just like that. Anyway, so yeah, I'm standing still. So it's pretty close to me on the left. Somewhere in front of it. Okay, I'm gonna put it here for a reason. Also, did I talk to this guy? WRT. What's WRT? With respect to... Use it as a tool. Well, I mean, yeah, I said, if we're talking... Use WRT so much in math class. Oh, thing is, I don't study math in English. Almost at all. Much. So yeah, I said, for Copilot AI is very useful for like... You might autocorrect it much... You just can't write the word math. Anyway. Okay, so... And what? Yeah, that's a good... Nice. That's a good way. Definitely a good place to put it. See, AI is like... Copilot is very useful for repetitive stuff. even though I don't have it. Ahead of the pillar, I mean, makes sense. I'm putting it behind. Wait, what? I'm putting it behind. What does the ahead mean then? It's related. Wait, how do I get in? I need to destroy the thing a little bit. And here's the staircase. Oh, also, hold on. Yeah, here. Because I'm music clash. Okay, so I don't know what you mean by ahead behind, but I'm pretty sure I can place it here and it's not gonna fall. Although, how am I gonna jump on top of it? Like, that's my question. I mean, you can grow it to the top, but without like cheating it like kinda... Wait, that's wrong. Kinda like that. Also, I could have probably put it... Yeah, I should have probably put it here. What's... My mouse just stopped working for a moment. Ah. Okay, yeah, I can cheese it there. But what's next? Like, this is the highest I can go. Isn't it? Unless I actually, like, do something insane, like I did last time with... Actually, you know what? I guess I can do this. Ooh, yeah, it worked. Ooh. But I think that's the highest I can go. Oh, wait. I did not know there are blocks here. What? There is space here. Okay, I should have explored that. Anything here? Anything useful?
Okay, let's go.
Oh. So they could jump there. Anything useful apart from like the fact that I'm here? That I'm up here. I'm so afraid to click forward because I'm just gonna fall, right? Wait, I should click back. I should go backwards, right? No, nothing there. 20 minutes is over. Wait, there's one more seat. What? I mean, I have the stem. Wait, why can't I roll back more? Oh, oh, what is this? Stone tablet. I'm no expert in ancient languages, but I'm fairly certain I've described this one name written. I've deciphered one name written in it. Piranesi. Who knows what that means? Hopefully somebody will be able to translate more of it than I can. Okay, I have two things. There are 3 in total. I'm pretty sure you told me that already. So I probably need 2 to climb up, right? Because yeah, it's gonna be a bit difficult. I can probably cheese it again a little bit. But that's a pretty fun puzzle. It's not gonna let me go. Something that lets me break iron bars. Wait, what? Okay, that is interesting. Wait, what is this? Hold on. What is this? What is? How do you F5? It's C. It's C. What is this? I want that. I don't think I can cheese it much more. I'm gonna roll forward and see what's gonna happen. How it's gonna destroy. So yeah, this thing grows enough. So I guess I need one more seed. Unless there is actually a way to get up without that. And I'm pretty sure there isn't. Because I need to jump 2 blocks there. Because it grows by 2. Well, I guess I could roll forward a little more once it's all destroyed. But it doesn't go much higher, does it? Is this thing still there? Oh, there is a dude now. Yeah, I'm gonna roll forward a little more to see like all stages of this. Oh, and now there's grass. Also, this thing. Oh, this thing still grows. Wow. I'm gonna be careful. So I'm pretty sure that's where I entered this thing. One of the blocks that break. I don't think I will be able to climb that though. I need to gain 2 blocks, even if... Good button, good Nigel. Good Nigel. Wait. Cause look, I need to get 2 blocks higher. So if from here I can jump to like where... Also I wanna... Oh, that's the end of time. So, you say, yeah, no. Well, I guess that. Blocked. So proud of it. So, what is this? What is this height right now? Yeah, I'm 1 block lower, right? So I can jump on top of there, and I need to gain 2 more blocks. And there's like nowhere I can jump on top of there. And like 1 higher. And like, well, yeah, I mean, I guess it could be possible theoretically, but I don't think it is. And I'm pretty sure you haven't done this way either. Oh wait, oh, Zoom is disabled, right? I was like, where can I get now? Is there anywhere I can get? Where should I go now? I'm sorry. So where should I go now? Like, I collected this thing. I don't think it gives me anything. So...
Can you read chat,
we chat
please?
5 messages ago. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good button, good Nigel. That's helpful. Okay, I can try placing it on blocks that break. Yeah, I saw that. But I already described why I don't think that's gonna work. Or you're saying that this is gonna work. I mean, I guess I could try. If you're if you're like telling me that. Oh wait, it's the wrong way. Oh, which blocks break? Oh my god, the blocks are not breaking soon. Being proud. Oh, no way it's gonna grow far enough. Maybe like in the center. Yeah, no way it's gonna grow far enough here either. I mean, actually from this point. Well, no, it's not gonna work. It's not even gonna grow far enough. Let alone the fact that I wouldn't really be able to climb it. So what do I do next then? I can always try. I mean, what can I try? Wait, that's my thingy. Okay, fine. I'm gonna try. Let me figure out. If you if you for some reason want this so badly, oh, which block is breaking the first? Placing it. Or you're gonna say it's gonna levitate for some reason. Wait, what is this? Oh, I thought that was a spawner. Okay, so this block is breaking first, so I guess this is the most successful one. Here, it falls. But it's not gonna be far enough, also I should be careful. And it's also underneath this thing. Or should have I placed it here? Maybe I should have placed it like here, somewhere. This is still too far though. And yeah, it fell. It fell too far. I really don't understand why they disabled zoom. I guess it would be cheating. Okay, which blocks break again? Now let me see. Uh, let's start. Okay, so this block breaks, I guess. Or actually, I should have probably placed it a year earlier. I'm gonna call them years. No one's gonna stop me. Okay, now what? I can't even climb it to here. Actually, no, I can probably from this side. Actually, I don't know if I can make this jump. No, I can't. Yeah, that's pretty useless. I guess I should have placed it. Where is the hole in the in the pillar? Wait, why are all pillars good? Where's the hole? Here's the hole. Okay, so I should have placed it on this corner. Okay, let me roll back. Ed, stop. Wait, what? Ed, stop. Okay, sure. Ed's gonna stop. I don't know if it's gonna work. Yeah, that's too far. That grows too high. Wait, I could probably try. Wait, no, I can't. Well, yeah, I should place it 1 year later. Okay, I'm gonna do some attempts and then it's gonna be over. So can I get there? No. And like also if I fall, I lose the progress. Oh, and I'm not gonna be able to claim this thing back. Wait. Can I soft lock myself in this game? Is there something to protect me from soft locks? Also, I can probably make this jump. Oh, but I don't know if it's any useful. Also, I can probably try going on top of this tower. Oh, here I am. I don't think I can get higher though. Because this thing is growing into blocks. And yeah, my cheeses won't work on it. There's a dude! There's a dude! Cause like, if this block fell one block over into the next tier, then maybe. Yeah, I need... Okay, now you're telling me that. Fine, okay, I'm gonna roll back a little bit. And so, am I going down? Well, actually, I mean, I guess we're gonna find out next time. I'm gonna stand. Okay, I guess I should have. I'm gonna stand right here and yeah. Oh, and so did you? Oh, you went down because I need the sword plant. Oh, you found it before. Wait, I misread that. Where can you find it? I can probably get to the tower from this place. Anyway. I guess there's no reason to do a poll on, even if I fuse YouTube and Twitch, because they're not gonna answer if I should use MIR or HAR for building the thing. Yeah, but I need. Wait, what? Did I? Did I? No, it's not forward or reverse time. It's not. Also, I literally don't. I didn't even notice you wrote off. I literally read it as or. Anyway, so no way I got reverse time there. Of course. Because it's weird. Also change the category. Ah, how do you change the category? Oh my god, I can't change the category. Welcome back, Penguin Operator. Nigel, can you change the category because I can't really, because my buttons are off. Done. Oh, this thing didn't update yet. But anyway, thank you. Oh, it did. Wait, I was looking at the wrong button. Oh. Well, I guess then. I guess. Anyway, you did it. So, do we use MIR or do we use HAR? From now on, I suggest using the first version. Well, my version. This version, the parentheses one. Or curly brackets. That's a feature. Also, emotes don't animate in the overlay anymore. I will need to ask Kanye. Oh, that's what I was going to ask Kanye. Kanye, come to the stream, please. And also, I need to enable music. I mean, it's unlikely. That's what I wanted to ask Kanye, but forgot about it and was thinking. Apart from like embed TLS errors. Yeah, I forgot about it. Oh, they were first time chatter. I mean, sure. Because he didn't write a single message in chat before, in my chat before. Because like, why would he? Like, I know a lot of people just lurk. When did I get the first time chatter on Kavina? I don't even remember. It was pretty long ago, because Kavina does actually write messages sometimes. But like, I'm pretty sure he lurked a few streams before that. And like, so I'm streaming, not suspecting anything, and then I come to his stream and he's like, "Oh, I saw you stream there." Yeah. Anyway, so layouts. Should I? I'm very debating if whether I should use MIR or HAR or THAR. I wish there was an existing library that would like be it. Previously called hair. Got your hair here. Rust compiler got a haircut. Okay, I'm bad at it. Another IR used by Rust C that generated after type checking. It is as of January 2024 used for MIR construction, exhaustiveness checking, and unsafety checking. Oh, that is interesting. No representation for items. Okay, I guess I do have to use HAR then. Where's Rust Playground? Okay, I think I'm gonna sort all my complaints right here with a struct test. X i32 y i32 main x mutable reference to test. I'm just gonna do x.x equals 0, or actually x.y equals 0, so that we do apply offset. And let's see what MIR generates. Wait, it just ran. It just built MIR. And I kinda wanna see THAR, but I'm pretty sure it's not gonna give me THAR. Well, no, it does 1.1 equals 0. Let mute underscore 0. Wait, what is this? What is underscore 0 for? Interesting. Knock yourself out. What? Okay, and if I look at HAR, well, yeah, HAR is pretty much HAR. See, I don't know. MIR looks fine. Even the MIR. Even the MIR. But for some reason it requires layout. Can I use an empty string, by the way? I just wonder if I actually literally take an empty string there. Also size. Oh, so that's why it's useful for size. But why do you need size? Oh, because you're converting it to bytes for some reason. Why is lower literal to operand using bytes? Why? That's my concern. That's my concern. That's what I want to ask. Why? Internal const scalar. Const scalar bytes. Either others. Okay, no. Not really. Unevaluated const and unknown. So why? It stops me from using it properly. From using it the way. I mean, I guess there is a reason. Maybe, maybe not. Who knows? And I guess THR is also like platform. Platform based. So yeah, I guess I'm getting rid of MIR. Hopefully HAR is fully working. I'm gonna doubt. I'm gonna think about this many more times again. Okay, let's do if c then x else 0. Let's do an if else. And let's see. How am I gonna convert if else? Oh, that's an expression as well, right? That's extra painful. Says statements that are expressions. I guess just don't. I guess I'm gonna do binding stuff. Well, actually, I can ignore the expression in here, at least for now. And oh, and lowering to play. Oh, that's why they had lower to place. So if I go to backend, so here we have like all those values. What if instead we're gonna pass values inside of the things, into the things? Because like, so for example here, an if expression. Well, I have allocated a slot for this if expression, and now tail, all the tails of those blocks should put the values in this slot that I allocated. And that's like kind of aligned with how Rust works internally. It allocates values. So also this should be interesting. Alloc value. What if I allocate values? And this should also be a value, right? Because value is something I write to, and something I no, that's weird. that's that feels wrong though. Hmm. Hmm. Crane lift. I should be comfortable with doing this at this point. Okay, crane lift. I want the different dock. I want instruction builder. So call, for example, returns an instruction. Yeah, this just works on variables though. Oh, because basic blocks have parameters and all those painful things. All those very painful and awful things. I guess I could assign a value to another value. But I kinda wanna make it in place. Because if I assign it, then I will have to create a variable then. What if I do slots? Because like there are two states. Slot can be occupied and unoccupied. I guess I could protect with type system. Slot to put a value into operation side of a slot. Well, actually, no, that's wrong. That's wrong. That's wrong. That's wrong. Because like if I do a fork or a branch, so an if statement, there are two things that assign to the slot, which means it's not an SSA anymore. No, block params are so annoying. Actually, I can look crane lift toy language because for some reason they did it in their crane lift toy language. They did ifs, which are like which is like exactly what I'm questioning right now. So yeah, here if expressions. Brief ugt. Brief ugt. V405 block 29 V10. Oh, here are block params. How do you pass them? How do you generate? How do they generate it? Um, just in time compiler. So there's lower. Oh wait, I guess generating ifs expression. Whereas if else translate if else expression, then create blocks. Two blocks and merge block. Append block param merge block. This would produce a PHI in between the then and else bodies. Oh, wow, I actually know what a PHI is now. Also, my audio player exited. What on earth? Did I press Control C accidentally on it? Might have. Why nobody said that there is no music? I am sorry. We'll be back. Okay. Yeah, I need to keep something in mind about you being an operator to tell you when you come back. Okay, so yeah, you branch. How does? Oh, so they call and they. Okay, that makes so much sense. So you have a merge block, and you when where is an example? When any of those blocks go to merge blocks, they just pass this value into the merge block. That is interesting. That is interesting, to say the least. How do you break out of loops, though? How they do breaking out of loops? That's like the most important point. Because ifs, skipping instructions is normally ifs. Hmm. And then basic block form, it would just teleport me, right? Okay, basic blocks maybe not that bad. They are complex control flow graphs though. And like all because of continue and break. Well, actually no, continue is even fine. You can replace continue by an if else. So instead of continue or everything that's after continue, or you set a flag and like when you exit. Well, actually no, continue is annoying. Continue is annoying as well. So loop, continue, breaking out of loops. And I also need to convert it to C at the end of the day. So if in C I create, because that's what I'm afraid of. Int x label 2. So let me do it. Am I gonna do lowering into basic blocks myself? Oh no, I don't wanna do that. So increase x and I go to if x is something. Y equals x plus 10. Oh, this is fine. Oh, so I can totally do basic blocks this way. Or I guess, what's it? C of nodes IR optimizations. Are there any articles written? Because I don't really want to. Well, it's literally an organization. Click PhD series. I don't even know what this is. Oh, combining analysis and optimizations. Wait, what? Oh my god, am I supposed to read that? It's like the 5 degrees rotated, and I can't select, and I can't search, which is a game changer for me right now. Is security check required? I thought it's failed. No, it's required. Here. Okay, I can at least copy the text. Framing optimization shows my 2 such frameworks and how to reason about the properties of resulting framework. Structure. Constant propagation, value numbering, and unreachable code elimination. An open question as to what other frameworks can be combined in this way. Okay, constant propagation, value numbering, and unreachable code in elimination. That is most important. But I mean, that is so natural to Sea of Notes, I guess. I know that I'm speaking a language that nobody who watches the stream understands right now. Because I'm literally talking to a paper, which 1 year ago I would never think I would be reading a paper. Well, I'm not reading it though, yet. Figures. What is this? Defining a set using f of equals 1 and g of x equals x plus 2. G of 1. Wait, what is that? G of 1 is 3. G of 2 is 4, right? But why is it point? Oh, that's wait. Those are arrows that are pointing somewhere, right? I only realized because there was no end of this arrow. So, why did it eliminate it? Oh, because G of because it starts with G of F, right? For some reason. Testing a predicate. Okay, I'm not reading that. Sorry. I guess operand restricted or something. Stations. Okay, I'm literally just looking at the picture. Nothing really useful here. A lighter read. Oh, here. From quads to graphs. Wait, what? Okay, I can at least select there. Maybe I can also copy or wait, search. What was I going to search? Is there a reference to basic blocks? Of course there is. But I can't find them for some reason. Oh. Okay, that's not good. Simple graph based intermediate representation. Okay, that sounds nice. Oh, and this is searchable. Oh my god, so nice. Oracle. Thank you. Oh, and yeah, Sea of Notes was introduced in GraalVM or something. Well, maybe not GraalVM, but some sort of Java compiler. So yeah, I guess this makes sense. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm not reading the whole paper, right? Graph-based object-oriented structure similar to Spirit. Similar in spirit to operator level program dependence graph or gated. Anyway, yeah, I guess nobody's interested in me reading that. One form contains all information required. Represent use def chains. Directly and modifies the use def information. The graph form a single tired structure instead of a two-tired. Okay, I don't know what this means, but I guess it's like directed or something. Oh no. Basic blocks tier 1 of instructions tier 2. Oh, single tiered. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Single tiered mean all instructions are in a graph instead of graph being consisting of blocks, each of which consists of instructions. Same form and implementation. Yeah, optimizations such as constant propagation value numbering use the same. Hello there, Wait King. Hi. You came back, yay. And you're also about to get hit by an ad. I'm sorry. Mr. Ed makes. Welcome back. Thank you, Oracle. Was not a sentence you expected to hear, like ever. Reading papers. Wait, what's the latency? What's the latency? Because I feel like there was a significant delay. Well, I mean, I guess I feel like there was a significant delay before. Wait. Or between I said that and this message. But yeah, thank you, Oracle. I did not think I would say this ever, but there is latency subsec. No way. So yes, there is this web page, or I guess this paper is the only one that I can search, and it looks pretty nice. And yeah, latency is different for all of you. If you refresh, it can get better. It can get worse. I guess this is like random. So yeah, I am, I guess, reading paper. Oh, you're typing on the tablet. Okay, that makes sense. It just okay if it was only your message, but then Nigel also says reading papers, and like I feel like I started reading the paper a little bit earlier than he writes that. Wait, what? JavaScript copyright? Is it that JavaScript has Java in the name? I haven't heard anything about that. Concealed here, okay, whatever. Design, compact implementation. Wait, I missed something. Hi again, Prince Kumar. Plus 27. Oh, Pulsar 27, sorry. Technically it's ECMAScript. ECMAScript is specification. I actually don't know like the difference. I feel like ECMAScript is like spec and JavaScript is the language that implements the spec or something. I don't know. Okay, now more blog posts, yay. More reading. Listen, I just looked at the video where Badcop read the bash manual. I don't wanna do this myself. Go to release the asking. You published a blog post asking Oracle to release JavaScript trademark as a goodwill gesture. Oh, that's creator of Node.js. Oh, that is interesting. It's a spec, okay. You published an open letter co-signed. ECMAScript is a standard. Well, that's what I was saying basically. Open letter co-signed by somebody. Creator of JavaScript. Current CC39 editors. What? Over 16,000 JavaScript developers. Many were shocked to learn that Oracle even claimed ownership of JavaScript. Oracle still said nothing. So last November you filed a formal petition through your company Deno to cancel Oracle's JavaScript trademark. Things you pointed out that in 2019 Oracle renewed its trademark but submitted a screenshot of the Node.js website. A project you created as a proof of use. Why am I reading it like like that? Despite having no affiliation with it. Our petition changes Oracle's trademark on 3 grounds. Genericness. JavaScript is a widely used programming language, not an Oracle product. Abandonment. Oracle does not control, maintain, or enforce its trademark. Well, I mean, creator of JavaScript would surely sign a letter. And the fact that Oracle doesn't respond makes sense. Because, like, yeah, they don't care. Or actually, they do care. They do want to keep the trademark, so they don't care about the letter. I mean, what can happen to them? Sue them? I don't know. I'm not a politics guy. Like, what are you expecting me to say? And they finally responded. Screenshot of Node from Node.js, but it doesn't matter because we also submitted another specimen. What? Specimen. Or- This petition ignores completely that Oracle submitted two specimens. Moreover, on its face, the petition fails to allege a claim of. Okay, I'm not reading that. I can barely understand it. Yeah, I'm not gonna understand this. This is too legal for me. I don't know half of the words there. And then technology services class 42. 42? Good question. It just Nigel sent this. What's that? What is this? Anyway, so Nigel just sent mentioned that JavaScript was owned by Oracle because I said the Oracle paper is good. Well, I said thank you Oracle because this paper is on Oracle's domain, and then Nigel said that it's like they're still holding JavaScript and sent me to this Deno post, and that's why I was there. Anyway, let me see. So optimizations use the same support code for both control and data values. That is interesting. Yeah, because anyway, we're back to this. Care was taken, yeah, for very compact, easily edited implementation. What? Moving from the use of value to the definition of a value requires a single pointer dereference. Implementation makes heavy use of C++'s features. Okay, I'm not gonna say that original implementation was in Java because it wasn't, but like sample implementation is in Java, and now I'm reading a paper that's like saying C++. I mean, fair enough. Originally, what is it? Originally, C of Nodes IR was written in for Java compiler, or actually for Java. Yeah, for Java compiler, I assume. Backend. I don't know, optimizing compiler, whatever. Addition with heavy C++ features for code reuse, squeezing a lot of functionality and few lines of code. In section 2, we introduce the graph-based intermediate representation. In section 3, we give the model of execution of for our representation. In section 4, we present C++ implementation. Section 5 shows our experimental result for parse time optimization. In section 6, we look at the related work. Whatever. Design. Nodes and values. Okay, I'm gonna skip really quickly over stuff. All expressions are simple assignments with at most one primitive operation on the right, as in A : equals B plus C. So this is 3 address code basically. Almost. What's time in my place? 7:03 p.m. If you open my Discord, you can see in my profile 12 a.m. for me is something for you. I straight up copied this from somebody, but that's a pretty neat feature. So if you want to know time zones on, and you see me on Discord, you can just see my profile. That is actually useful, to be fair. On the Discord server where I looks it up, many people have that. And it is useful. Oh, I mean, obviously. What is that? Here's 9:33 p.m. Okay, so you're... I was gonna say to the right. Northeast, eastern of me. Probably. Pretty late for you. Okay. Hopefully I'm not gonna go for much longer. I'm actually going for longer than I expected, to be honest. Guess your country? I don't wanna guess. Probably India or Russia. It's too early for China and too late for like everything else. But you still have to send the Rust to C++ challenge. It's fine. Like, I wasn't expecting to be live for that long because I started late, and there is a good reason I started late. Because I watched the final episode of The Point of No Return Minecraft Let's Play with storytelling and stuff, and it's yeah, and it was pretty emotional. I don't even know what was more emotional, Skyblock Kingdoms 1 finale or this. You're from India. Okay, I could have guessed that. I mean, I guessed that literally. So, to be fair, 50% of people who chat in my chats, I guess in both Twitch and YouTube. Or actually, 90% of people on YouTube and 50%, okay, maybe 30% of people on Twitch are from India. I mean, actually, okay, on Twitch it's not that much. Well, it normally shows like 10% of that, 10% of that, 10% of that. Where did the rest go? I don't have like 30% of chatters. I have 100%, I guess. Anyway, let's scroll through. Values certainly include abstract quantities like the state of memory, I/O, what? Oh. Memory state and I/O are discussed later. Okay, that is interesting. Indian people have a lot of free time. YouTube has more Indians. Wait. Well, for my channel, definitely people in chat more on YouTube, much more Indians. It's like, it's just weird. And all of you prefer to tell me that for whatever reason. That's why I know it. Because YouTube doesn't give me analytics on countries. On Twitch I can see when I see the stream recap, I see, okay, I have 10% of chatters from Belarus, 10% of chatters from Russia, 10% from India, 10% from US, etc, etc, etc. YouTube is bigger, fair enough. But like, percentage wise, I have more chatters on Twitch, however I have more viewers on YouTube, which is interesting. I guess people on YouTube don't really care about chatting. Which is fair enough. Because when I join a stream on YouTube, I only watch. And if I actually want to chat, well, I can drop a quick message, but if I actually want to chat, I'm most likely going to Twitch, straight up. That's funny, but you just finished your EMI compiler exam. And the first video you get is about compilers. Hi, Alien Montfort. Well, on YouTube are kids. Not only kids. I mean, can you consider me a kid? I don't know. At this point. It's just that on YouTube, live streams, for some reason... Actually, even... If I need help, ask. I don't know if I can ask you for help, because my problem is very... Well, I'm not gonna be able to, like, state my problem. let alone somebody understanding my problem and like telling me, helping me. But okay, I'll keep it in mind. So yeah, even if I YouTube, continuing the topic of YouTube, even if I look at like popular streamers who do double stream to Twitch and YouTube, I see like them 100 viewers on Twitch, 100 on YouTube. Twitch chat is just scrolling. But YouTube chat is like stationary. There are like 10% of messages. I don't know why. I know YouTube chat is awful. But like... On Twitch, people are just more active. That's for a fact. And I guess YouTube is trying to fix this with like... chat rating thingy. With those... whatever. Chat activity. Anyway, let's see the sea of nodes. What I actually want to see here. CFG images, edges. I want to see if I default to like basic block jumps. YouTube have bots. I mean, does it change anything? Like even then, if you look at my Twitch chat and my YouTube chat and compare them, on Twitch chat, you see like people come in, they chat, and they are just there. On YouTube chat, people come in, send one message and disappear. And like, sure, that happens on Twitch as well. And today, like, I got lucky, many messages are on YouTube. Like, I'm pretty sure there are 4 people who send at least 2 messages. And you are obviously number 1, Prince um, actually, 4 people who sent more than 2 messages, more than or equal to, which is like very lucky. But it is just, if you just look at numbers or just look at it and think, it's such a clear distinction that YouTube has people who just send one message and leave, and Twitch has people who do chat and do come back. Anyway, people are engaging. Fair enough. You can't like, to be fair. I am kind of the reason. Because if you write something on Twitch, it appears here in chat view. Oh my god, I just can't talk. For how long have I been working on my compiler? A lot. Like, okay, more than a year, more than 2 years probably even. Or actually, maybe close to 2 years, maybe more than 2 years. The thing is, I rewrote it many times, over and over and over and over again. And focus has shifted so much, you can't even imagine. Anyway, so, yeah, regarding engaging on Twitch, here you can see an example. Oh wow, I need to install it. So here you can see an example, like redeems 2 days ago. Huh? And like another example, chat works with Twitch, doesn't work on YouTube, or like plushes. Like I have a whole thing with plushes. Here. Which only is accessible from Twitch because, well, I'm not gonna bother working with YouTube API, it's just awful. Anyway, let's get this running. Internet connection. I guess I just copy that. Macroquad. You're done with Rust program to transpile to C++ using human transpiler trademark. Or you can compile it. Nah, I can just compile it. It's not that hard. In fact, if you compile it, it's probably not gonna run for me. Just because, yeah, I'm on NixOS. Oh, that's not many crates. 36 crates. Please work. You haven't tried it. Cargo run just release. Oh yeah, good point. I guess we're gonna be running in debug mode, it's fine. You think you have to switch to Twitch now? Yeah, another thing, I kind of wanted to... I kind of said that everybody who's gonna come to YouTube, I'm gonna be saying, hey, if you want to talk and engage, go to Twitch. Because you don't see chat here. Anyway, yeah, that's on my side, don't worry. I actually don't know how to fix it. Hold on. I may need to go to... Which game in Rust have I used? Have I made with NixOS? Break a loop. Has a flake, definitely. Should have a flake at least. No, it doesn't. What? Well, it should have. Wait, catch the countdown. Did I do dashes? Oh, I did dashes. This does have a shell. Oh, I just imported really. Wait. Actually, what? Because NixOS, it did build. It panicked because NixOS. LEL just disappeared. I mean, if they're not talking, doesn't mean they disappeared. You can see I tried shortcut. It crashed as well. Oh, wait, Nix locate. It's not gonna help because I still need Wayland library. Oh my god. Okay, so what do I need? I need libx 11. Oh, here. Because it's nice. This should work, right? Also, I guess I can run release now. What's HAR? HRA. Warning bin HAR. HRA generated 5 warnings. Warnings not used. Velocity Y is not used. Wait, what? Oh, Velocity X is not used either. It's fine. Okay, bye. You'll come back tomorrow, maybe. Well, I don't know if I'm gonna stream tomorrow, but yeah, see you. Cargo run. Yeah, this looks very nice. Wait, is it the same issue? Oh no. Library not found, deal open error. RT. Yeah, I need to fix it. I need to take a flake from somewhere. Actually, I think garbage collector might have one. This one. Or even garbage collector 2 might have a flake. What do we have here? Oh, this should work, right? Wait, wrong. Here. Is camera out of sync? Camera is out of sync. How are you like watching like that? I don't know. You can compile it to WebAssembly. Well, I guess you should have done this in the first place, but since it's not like this is pretty simple. I guess there is no point in hosting it. And yeah, with this flake it should probably run. So it's fine. It's fine, it's fine. 3 megabytes. Okay, now it's gonna download the actual packages, which is probably like 2 gigs as well. Edit inputs. Oh, this is gonna take a while. Okay, 400 megabytes. That's not that bad, actually. That's definitely not that bad. Not that bad. 4, 25, 6, 7, 78, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, now it's 138. Download, but it's still 400 here. Huh? Whatever. Okay, halfway done. Fetching GCC. Why am I fetching GCC? Wait, what? Oh, that might be. This might be just my flake that has Rust stuff. OpenSSL or something. No, it doesn't. I don't know why I'm fetching GCC. GCC 14.3. Okay, 408. Okay, we're done. Now this should in theory run. No, it doesn't. It's fine. It should be easy to find now. It's not that bad, stream dice. Sorry. Let's see. Let's search for XKB common. Why is it 0000? I wonder. So XKB common. Well, I mean, pretty obvious. I leave XKB common. I think this is the right one, the last one, right? Also, I don't need that out. And this should be pretty quick. Come on, cargo, run. Now this time it should work. It does. Oh, wow, let's go. I'm falling from the sky. Is there anything here? I assume there is nothing. Also, you're doing jump on click. And yeah, no variable jump height, but jump on click. Jump on click is just something I don't. I like just holding jump for some reason. Minecraft, I don't know. Proof of concept. Yeah, I guess that's. Does collision down or no, reverse collision? Okay, it does. Yeah, makes sense. I mean, you can probably get it like pretty close, pretty far, like minimum. But I mean, it works. It runs. I just, oh my god, why am I so like annoyed by the fact that why am I so? Oh, what is that? Wait, that wall jumping. Okay, I assume you did collisions yourself. Yeah. Is it actually a wall jump? Why is it so weird? It's a... Okay, so this is a feature. I mean, I guess it's fine. Well, to be honest, if this is a feature, why wouldn't you just put a wall here to test it? It kinda does work as a wall jump, although it doesn't actually jump from the wall unless I press the key. And it also kind of works as climbing. But you can probably make climbing a bit nicer too with W and S. Or like, do arrows work? No, arrows don't. Do HJKL? No, nah. Oh, now I'm colliding. Wait, what? Just error of collision. Oh my god, like actually, you're missing coyote time. And the fact that you have click to jump without coyote time is just something. You're back. Welcome back, Penguin Operator. Penguin Operator, may I ask you, if you're a person who comes to basically every stream now, why are you still not on the leaderboard? What's coyote time? So you know there's a cartoon where there was a coyote who ran from the who could run from the cliff and stay in the air. That's why it's named like that. And point of coyote time is if you fall from the edge and press space right as you fall. So like there's a short period of time after you fall where you can press space and go up in the air and jump. And there's also like, since you're using click to jump, a really nice feature would be if you, so look, I'm falling, and when I'm nearly on the edge, when I'm nearly touching it, I'm pressing space. But I'm pressing space before I actually land. Like tenths of a second before I actually land. And that's another feature. Like if you can record that that I press space like tenths of a second before and jump, that would be also nice. Because if you would be using hold to jump, then you wouldn't need to do this. But of course, then variable jump height is not as nice. And like similar stuff. Yeah. Like since you're using press to jump, it would really make a difference. Because like I'm often like I'm falling, I'm pressing jump, and I just don't. I just don't jump. Like here was a good example. Well, okay, let's play it. So I'm anyway, I think you get the idea. If I press jump a little bit before I fall, I should probably jump. Anyway, I guess that's kinda it. It was a fun Nick's Flake experience. Anyway, so let's start. Add start. Add start. So yeah, I still think I can do loop and stuff. But still go to outside of loops for breaks. Although I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this. Anyway, so yeah. What was I going to say as well? I don't know. Penguin operator, get on the leaderboard. Why are you not on the leaderboard? You could very well be here. Even QVman. QVman joined less streams than you did. Less of my streams than you did, and you still are behind. Ads are in progress. I shouldn't have been talking while ads are running, to be fair. Anyway, 100% Rust, yay. So I'm not sure. I might be ending there. Might just be ending there, cause yeah, I'm pretty tired. Third hasn't been redeemed yet, by the way. Ooh, Captain Coder is live, by the way. I'ma get you. I just see notification in Twitch when I'm in the Twitch dashboard. Yeah. Anyway, so control flow is pretty difficult. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna be doing it. I guess basic blocks are a way. I don't know. Eduardo's life. Well, I'm not following, so I don't know. It's just one of the rare live notifications that I actually notice. So yeah, I might be ending here because I'm not entirely sure what I'm gonna do about control flow, and maybe, you know, maybe it's better to... Oh wait, where is it? So just scrap the function codegen and instead generate C and then pass the C over. Or like generate semi-C with basic blocks and conditionals, and pass that over. I don't know. I mean, now that I think about it, it doesn't really make a difference, so I guess I should probably keep this approach. What else? Yeah, alloc values in place would be nice. But, I mean, there's no need to allocate values if I do use basic blocks. If I do end up using basic blocks. I don't want to though. That's the thing. I don't really want to. I could use I don't want to use block params because I like Sea of Nodes more. I can probably figure out block params and phi function. Oh, sorry. Block params and phi functions. Yeah. Or can I on my own? I mean, variables do what's wrong with me? Variables span entire blocks. Yeah, they should be pretty simple. And except for variables, there isn't much. Well, expressions, yeah, ternary and stuff, I guess. So, also pretty simple. So yeah, maybe I should aim towards a more C-like code, so that I pass it over, and then what? So like I literally generate C for function bodies, and I pass it over, and I can compile that. No, because basic blocks. I don't like that idea because like complex control flow stuff. But then I would be able to generate logical stuff. I mean, no, okay, no. Function bodies are gonna be built like that. Not in a very human readable thing fashion. Or should I actually approach it? I don't know. Like, I don't know. Anyway, I'll probably think about it. And yeah, off stream. Because I think it's time to end. And before anything, I still want to check if there is anybody streaming whose streaming has a tag of compiler. Because like I don't lose face because once I found somebody. Yeah, nobody. Nigel, you wanna raid? You wanna raid? Where's my energy? Who? I mean, I guess depends on who you want to raid. Chat, any suggestions? Should I try redirect on YouTube? Or maybe. I have no idea how redirects work. Hold on, I wanna look it up. YouTube redirect live stream. Just wondering. So yeah, chat, any suggestions? No suggestions? Nigel? Oh, the channel needs to give me permission. Oh, wow. Creators in redirect that have more than 1,000 subscribers and oh, okay. That means I can't do redirects. Okay, it's fine. I mean, I guess we could also read. I said Captain Coder went live. Miska. Who's that? I remember those names. Captain Coder is doing Lua though. Layers from the deep. I mean, up to you. Ooh, Miska is doing something interesting actually. Yeah, sure. Yeah, anyway, thanks everyone for joining and I will see you next time. Bye. That's about it for the ending. Oh, wait, I need to open it. You're banned? No! Wait, oh! That's... Yeah, that's pretty sad. Wait, what? I guess the stream is never gonna end this way. I know. I see. The Captain Coder. exact username. Well, you can, Nigel, you can also use Raid browser. It's like, it's just fine. Oh, my second monitor just went off. I guess. Okay. So you can see my Twitch dashboard. You can see what I see now. Oh, it went back? Yeah. Anyway, thank you all for joining and I'll see you next time. Bye. Second time. Second attempt. See you. Okay, I need to get ready. Oh, this again. Nice. Will we ever raid somebody? Okay, you know what? Thanks everyone for joining and bye. I'm just gonna end the stream before you have a chance to unraid again. Wait, what? How am I having 5 raiders? Okay, chat. Should I stop YouTube stream? I'm not gonna stop YouTube stream. It's gonna be forever in the VOD. I'm even gonna do this. Okay, YouTube, people on YouTube, just look at this. Rate, unrate, rate, unrate, rate, unrate, rate. Anyway, goodbye. Maybe it's gonna end one day. Bye. 5 raiders. I fortunately have opened both streams now. And I can jump quickly. So, see you.